Hey everyone, welcome back. We're on our way to find the only ATM on the island. Check out the road, guys. Adventurous. And big trucks coming towards you, and it's like, you can't avoid them or the holes, you know, you got a choice, hit the truck or hit the holes. Municipal hall.
We're lost.
Yeah. But there are lots of motorbikes here, so maybe we just stop here and have a look.
A note about these helmets.
Oh, yeah?
They're very short. My head is not big.
There's tons of food here.
Very nice looking toilets.
Oh, there's more toilets. These are like proper toilets. I'm just going to go have a look quickly. Oh yeah, you can get your charcoal and, well, bananas, I'm going to call them. They're actually cooking right here. Oh, it looks really good. Do you want to get some breakfast? Because look at those eggs. And they have a place to sit. So let's go in and get some breakfast. Sounds like a good idea.
12 years in Canada.
Wow.
Beautiful bean sprouts. Yeah, bean sprouts. That's the one and the noodles. Oh, these look great. I don't want too much food. I just want to try some noodles. Okay. So your noodle definitely. Yes.
Oh, wow, chicken livers. Oh.
Thank you.
So I'm getting the eggplant.
Only one?
Just one, and an egg, please.
Okay.
And just a little bit of the fish.
Try?
I just want to try it.
I need to try one.
Just one to try, and a little bit of the gravy.
Now, I do not think you could possibly find a better breakfast than all of this.
Wait for it. Here comes the caffeine.
Oh, thank you so much. What is your name?
Sylvia.
Sylvia. Thank you so much, Sylvia.
Sylvia. It's quite a great vibe behind us. Everyone wishing each other Merry Christmas. There's nowhere near Christmas, guys.
I'm going to try a little bit of this plain, but then I spy some great looking vinegar.
Good. That looks like pure chilies.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Oh, that looks like sweet and sour. That looks so beautiful
And the
now.
noodles were so beautiful and garlicky.
And you're going to have to retake all the photos. No, just mix it in.
Yeah, photos.
And photos
We've
done.
photos
Time to eat.
Yeah, I really love these. You get these soft noodles, and then you get these which got a bit more chew to them, although they're smaller. They're really cool. Love it.
Got my awesome breakfast, which is the tutong talong. I think it's eggplant omelette, and my egg, which I'm going to smash on top of it in a minute. But I had to try one of these little fish.
Go for it. Let's see.
Oh, look at that! It just flaked off.
Oh wow.
Excuse me as I put it in there.
Bones.
Fill it. Tastes like pilchards.
Ah.
Oh,
Chicken liver. Looks lovely and
so it's
soft.
not overcooked. Well, you have to taste it to know. Still hot.
Oh man, give me a crispy cracker, and that is like pate on top. Look at that.
Let's get some toast.
Oh yeah, mouth is watering. Just gorgeous bean sprout. I'm putting an egg on an omelette.
This is my vision. Because this is like the bread of the Philippines. Drizzle a little bit on top.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
Uh-huh. Okay, it's not running as much as I thought it would, but
But it's gorgeous.
my mouth is watering so much, Rick.
So is mine from the chili.
But you see this chili, it comes straight out of this bottle, right?
Sylvia's special vinegar.
And when you bite it, it explodes with vinegar in your mouth. And then the heat just hits, it just rams itself home. It is addictive. It is addictive. I could drink that now.
Sylvia just keeps on cooking.
Oh, some great ingredients here. That looks like big pieces of ginger. Oh, wow. Into a pot. What is that?
Beef liver.
Oh man, and that's what it ends up looking like. Oh wow. Oh wow, if you find yourself here in town proper, in San Francisco, of course come visit Sylvia. This food is out of this world awesome. Thank you so much.
Still on video mode. Let's go.
Great breakfast, let's get going. We're crossing over to another island. This is technically a bridge, except we went over the bridge. Hopefully you guys can see us. Doesn't have such a wide angle. I'm going to go across to here. Yeah, good. And we're getting into a bit of a tropical area now. It's all palm trees. Oh, it's so steep. They actually said check your brakes. So we checked our brakes and we're still checking them. Now we're going to get back up here. We could have to get off and push.
Yep. Oh wow.
Ferry's going.
Yeah, because this port is one of the ports that the ferries go from.
Yeah, I
It is
saw
a
already.
beautiful port.
Yeah, look at this church.
Yeah, wow.
I don't know what's going on.
You're going too slowly.
Yeah, but that's I can't. LBC Camotes, that's probably where the ATM is.
Yeah, let's try that.
We're going to find parking. Welcome to, I got my helmet on. I don't know how to get it off. Welcome to Poro, the only place that has an ATM. And they have two of them.
Awesome. Let's see if they work. Yeah, so we came all the way from here through San Francisco to Poro.
Because the only ATM is here. Well, it is the only ATM. And our MasterCard didn't work, but our Visa did. So yeah.
Be careful, if you've only got MasterCard, no
Yeah.
cash for you.
We're going to head down this way because it's the port and we'll pretend we came in by ferry. Boat videos do well.
So this is the town of Poro. Oh, you've got a smart load shop here. And it says a pharmacy. There's a lady with a printer, so I assume if you need your ferry tickets printed.
This would be a good place to come.
Oh, there's quite a lot of printing available. Right, it's going to find out how much the t-shirting is. Printing on t-shirts. So I don't think you need your whole ticket printed on your t-shirt, but it could be quite funny. Actually, if you're going on one of those long-term ferries, get it on your t-shirt because you have to pull it out all the time.
I think this is the public market. Oh, wait, what's he doing? Fried chicken. Ho, ho, ho. Look at those massive pieces, proper wings and everything.
Yeah, crispy.
And he's actually making it here, you can see by the flour.
On the back.
Awesome. Yeah, it's got the noise. Not quite 500 mil, but I think it's 250.
Awesome. Is it cold?
Let's go in and see the market. So we're starting here with some clothes and shoes, which seems to be standard. Oh, peanuts. Oh, you guys catching fish and chicken there. And coconut wrapped things. Coconut.
What is it?
Camote.
What do you say?
Camote.
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 Is this actual camote?
How much?
How much is that? 10.
We're
Give me-
definitely getting a camote. Camote, that's the island. Camotes. Here we go.
No idea what this is.
We will see. Oh, look at that.
Oh wow.
I don't know. Open it some more, Rick. Okay, it's probably mashed sweet potato. And does it smell sweet?
No, it smells like potato.
It smells like potato. Everyone's laughing.
What is it, Brad?
It's sweet potato.
Ah, awesome.
It's not as sweet as I expected. I haven't
Yeah,
added
it's very
sugar.
the vegetable. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Oh wow, when you come to Camotes, get Camotes. It's named after it. And it tastes awesome. Something else they grow here. I think this is tobacco.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Kind of wish I smoked.
Oh. They actually probably roll cigars here. Is this mahi mahi? Look at that.
She says Pandawan.
Pandawan. Okay. Good looking pork product.
How much?
271 kilo. Oh, and ribs.
Yeah, ribs is only 250.
250. Okay, now we're moving into the veg section. So we got eggs straight up and fish. Still not sure what you do with the fish. Wow, I've missed bananas. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks, and you? Nice looking fish. Still not sure what you do. What do you do with the fish? Do you know?
Fried.
You fry it.
And also we grill also.
Fry and grill.
One.
So you grill these ones and you fry the smaller ones.
Yeah.
Great looking veg here. And it's just like all interspersed.
Like other essentials like flour.
Is that flour or sugar?
What's the question?
Always useful on a small island.
Yeah. Fix your watches. Wow.
But is this good?
Yeah, so if you need your batteries as well. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Oh, same to you. Thank you. What's this? Were they? Oh, okay.
Driver's name.
Oh, these are the drivers' names. Okay, awesome.
You know how to play this?
No, what's it called?
Dama.
Dama.
Yeah.
Wow. See, I have no idea. We'll have to watch someone play it sometime. We've got a guy who wants a shout out. So they're giving a shout out to Brian Discovers World. No. Thanks, guys. A tourist information center. Let's go see if they got some information or if it's just air conditioned. Oh, they got the whole island.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, no, here, ma'am.
Okay, we're
So
in
we're
Poro.
there.
This
Thanks.
map is on this part.
Only this
Okay.
part.
We have Rock, on Mactang Beach, next barangay, Kagkagan. We have Flying Fish Resort.
Oh wow, the guys are really, really helpful here, and it's air conditioned, so feel free to pop in and they'll show you all around. Thanks, guys. The door is heavy, so just hold it open. Awesome little truck, but this is a three-wheeler actually. And behind it is Seaview Park, which is this place. Yeah, you guys must also subscribe if you're listening to this because they all are. That looks like a tennis court and a really cool kids area and a restaurant, and oh man, this place looks pretty awesome. So this is the super shuttle ferry, so you can buy your ferry tickets here twice a day. Sugbo Marakdong Barato. Anyway, guys, you can read that. And look at what they've got here. Oh, eggs and all sorts. What is that?
Is Ubi.
It's ube. Wow.
This is ube. Is that what it looks like when it's not purple? But you can see some purple on it. Ice candy. What is ice candy? Can I have a look? Ooh, I'm definitely getting one. It's 5. I've got. I don't know what it is, but it looks like ice candy.
Get one and find out. Ice candy.
Got myself an ice candy.
To eat it.
I don't know.
Like ice cream in it.
Mm. Oh, it's like condensed milk and milk.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, that is a sweet treat, a shot of adrenaline. Wow.
Quite weird. We saw everyone come down. Obviously at lunchtime or something. They're all wearing the same sort of uniform. They've all walked along this wall here,
And gone
gone for a swim, and now I suppose back to work.
Yeah.
That is Buko Rock Resort, where you can jump off cliffs and things. Looks nearly impossible to get to on our scooter, so
Yeah.
we're not going to do it this time.
Looks like behind Ricky there's a shop with some cold water and get all your essentials actually. And then this says brewed coffee and dessert, Korean cravings, teas and souvenirs. So this is where the ferry lands, and I'm going to swing you guys around because it does say welcome to Poro up there.
And the market is just to the left.
That's the market over there. Yeah, that's the market. And they've got a clock tower and everything. And the bank is straight ahead. So draw your money here first before you go anywhere if you didn't bring enough cash. So you can get a scooter here just up from the port for 500. Love our security will help the clients by moving the bike into the shade for them. Ours luckily is in the shade. So let's get going. This is the Poro Town Hall and they're all getting all Christmassy. It looks pretty awesome with the Christmas trees and everything. We got Ricky there and a guy with a book. Oh, that's Rizal. They actually got a Rizal statue here. But how festive, they got presents and everything. So this is the Poro Town Hall, and very, very important, they have another ATM here. So if the ATM doesn't work for you over there, you can come to this one. Oh wow, proper old stone church. I'll show you when we get closer. They actually cut out the stone. But I think this is called Stonino because it says I love Stonino there. From behind bars. Check it out. Wow. Uh-huh.
Stunningly old.
But check out the cool stonework. I mean, up there as well. This is actually cut out of stone. Oh man, that is epic. Oh look, I didn't even notice the massive bell tower. Oh wow. How awesome is this church? And look at the belfry. Way up there.
It's actually a really nice town. Or
Yeah.
there's
There's probably
all
not
sorts of
more
things
places
going
to
up
stay. Yeah.
okay. Like a shrine up there. Yeah, I think there are some places to stay, but they're not like well advertised or anything.
And we're off. And here's the church. We might have shown you from the other side. Or we might have just taken a photo. Bump. Thanks. Thank you. Come again. Uphill. It says uphill. Yes,
Blind corner.
and here we go. Whoa. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no. Hold on. Hey. So it is a dirt road, just wide enough for a car or two scooters. But it's actually alright. If you've done it before, you don't hit every single bump. There we go, look at that. Oh wait, you've seen it tons of times already.